Hi guys, I'm back again. I want to show you how to set up an Eclipse IDE for Java development. It's really not quite that difficult, but I did get some problems with that. So let me just explain to you what I did. Okay, first of all, what you want to do is uh, download Eclipse. You can get it from their site www.eclipse.org, and here it is. Just download that, the installer, and install it. Create a shortcut for yourself. And if you try and run it, you'll get an error message that says you need a Java development kit for it to function. That's no problem. Just go back to Google and go to Oracle. You can just type in JDK or Java SE or so, and it'll bring you to the site. Now, this is the latest edition here. You see on the left hand side next to NetBeans. To download that one. After that one is downloaded, you install it. What happened to me was I did that and it still didn't work. I still got that error. And if you get that, it's because of your file path directory. Now I saved mine here. What you need to do is just copy this path file. This was the default directory. It installed two C program files, Java, JDK12, and the bin file is the important one. So you just copy this and then you go to settings, system, and as you can see I'm working with a not so great system, but I'm managing to code with it and program with it, so I'm sure you will be able to do the same. I've finished Python Crash Course. I've built a small little game. I'm still nowhere near becoming a programmer, but at least I'm giving it a shot. And I just want to try and help you guys out as well. So, after doing that, go to Advanced System Settings, environment variables, and then you'll see your path at the top. I've got PyCharm installed, so the PyCharm is already added here as a path, but you can just say new, not new, edit, and you can add it here at the bottom. You see mine is already added. Yes, and after doing that, it works perfectly. No errors, no nothing. I saw a lot of people having a problem doing that and searching it online, so I thought I'd just make this video to make it easier. Like I said, I'll keep posting videos and stuff as I go along. Only been a few months into it. I'm really loving it. So let's see where this takes me. Anyway, thank you for watching and have a great day.